Do you just not have the time anymore to write your essays? Neither do I, but that's why ChatGPT exists. No? Thing is, now AI will flag your essay if it's written by AI. So that's why GPTHuman exists. All you need to do is paste your text from ChatGPT into GPTHuman, and then you click what tone you want, high school, college, PhD, whatever. You pick your mode, and then you paste your essay, you click humanize, and then you've got your humanized essay. It gives you a humanization score, a reliability score, and a similarity score. And then you can see this won't get flagged at all. And that's how you continue to write your essays without actually writing them.